The miracle of the Quran in the creation of man. 4 genetic traits. Allah said, "We have created the human from a sperm drop, a mixture, testing him, we made him to hear and see." Al-Insan 2, meaning of the verse, that Allah created man from sperm. This sperm consists of mixtures, that is, mixed materials of blood. In the verse there is an indication that the human genetic traits consist in it being merely a sperm in the womb of its mother. Modern science has shown that the characteristics of a living cell are determined by the chromosomes they carry. Chromosomes are constructed from the 4 proteins and amino acids, adenine, thymine, guanine and cytosine, arranged in the form of 2 helix bars wrapped around each other. The chromosomes carry the code that directs cell activity and division according to the order of amino acids along the 2 strips in a vacuum. It is known that the fetus consists of the union of 1 cell of the male, sperm, and 1 cell of the female, ovum, egg. Hence, the genetic characteristics are determined by both the father's chromosomes and the mother's chromosomes 50% each. This is done starting from the first sperm that combines the sperm and the egg, and this is called the sperm. Raghib Abdulnazir Abdulshafi.